To grow potatoes in barrels, choose large barrels that hold about 55 gallons, 210 liters, and are at least 3 to 4 feet, 0.91 to 1.22 meters tall. Try to get a wooden barrel, such as an old whiskey barrel. Potatoes grow best in wood barrels, and they will also give your garden an attractive, rustic look. Steer clear of black barrels, since they can overheat in the sun, and avoid anything that was used to store harsh chemicals that could contaminate your plants. Before you plant your potatoes, clean the barrel by pouring in about 3 tablespoons, 44 milliliters, of household bleach and filling the barrel with clean water. Wipe down the sides and bottom with a washcloth. Then empty the barrel and rinse it thoroughly. Drill a few holes in the bottom, spaced out about 6 inches, 15 centimeters apart, to provide good drainage for the soil. Prop your barrel up on 1 to 3 cinder blocks to improve drainage even more. When you're ready to start planting, select at least 4 seed potatoes from your local nursery. Seed potatoes are potatoes that have begun to grow sprouts and roots. Put the potatoes in an egg carton with the sprouts facing upward so they can continue to grow. Then set the carton in a warm, well-lit spot, such as on a table near a sunny window, for 2 to 3 weeks. Try to maintain a temperature of about 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 21 degrees Celsius, in the room where you keep the potatoes. Once the sprouts are about half to 1 inches, 1.3 to 2.5 centimeters long, it's time to plant the potatoes in the barrel. For the best results, do this in the spring, about 1 month before the last frost date. Fill the barrel with a layer of 50 by 50 potting soil and compost mix about 5 to 8 inches, 13 to 20 centimeters deep. Place the potatoes on top of the mixture with the sprouts facing up, spaced out about 6 inches, 15 centimeters apart. You should be able to fit about 4 potatoes in 1 large barrel. Cover the potatoes with 3 to 4 inches, 7.6 to 10.2 centimeters of soil. They should be completely covered, so don't worry if you can't see the sprouts. Water your potatoes just enough so that soil is damp, but not soaking wet. Do this once a week as the potatoes continue to grow. When the sprouts get to be 6 to 9 inches, 15 to 23 centimeters tall, add another 4 inches, 10 centimeters of soil. Mix a little organic compost or liquid fertilizer into the soil once every 2 to 4 weeks to give your potatoes some extra nourishment. Keep topping off the potatoes with more soil as they continue to grow until the foliage has reached the top of the barrel and the barrel is nearly full of soil. Once the plants have flowered and begun to wilt, your potatoes are ripe and ready to harvest. Tip the barrel over and dig out the potatoes. Then cut off the roots, wash your harvest thoroughly, and enjoy.